Hi everybody. So we're going to do a fun little challenge that my wife discovered. You want to explain it a bit, or you want me to do it? I'll explain it. So this is called the the sound challenge, right?
It's Copy That Sound Challenge. So you have to make this sound, like whatever sound one of us makes, the other person has to do it with their mouth. So we're going to see what sounds we could find around the house to copy. But we got it from It's the Scots. It was posted on Instagram, and they have a TikTok page. So go follow them because they're like really fun.
Yeah, but it looked like fun and it looked really cute. So I think we can do pretty well with
It's
this
a
thing.
really weird angle.
Is that better?
But no,
is that better?
It's not. Come on, the hair.
Better?
Come on.
Is it better? Is it a good one? All right, first up. Do it! Alright, cool.
Wait, so do I do mine next?
Yes!
Oh, wait.
How did I know you were gonna do this? Oh yeah, I can do this one.
Wait, he's got okay, wait.
Are you trying to give him the wince?
Yes. Wait. Take the phone. Ouch.
Is he in your ear?
Yes, he's in my ear.
Oh my gosh!
Thank you for your help. Ow.
Okay. Well, wince, buddy.
It's probably done like daddy. Okay, that's the sound.
Okay. Alright, next up. That's good. That was actually much better than I thought you were gonna do.
There was no tone.
That's all I got.
Okay.
Alright, next up.
It sounds like.
Oh, one more time?
It sounds like.
Alright, that's as good as we're gonna get it right now. This is a terrible idea.
It never works. There we go. It's laughing.
That's it?
I don't think the whole growl situation.
Okay, one more time.
It was literally like.
Alright, next.
Just like that?
Hmm?
Do it again?
Low tone.
I can't do it. That's where it is.
You would do it for me again? That's the best I can do. Alright, last one. Can you close this for me? Alright, make that noise. Just close it. That.
Ping. There's a ping at the end.
There is a ping. No, I've never noticed that until now. It's like a.
It's like a metal ping, like when you close something with this spring. That's all I got.
It's like a zipper.
Yeah, it's alright. So, I really hate the sound of chewing in honor of this challenge. You guys should type in what your favorite, either your favorite sound is or your least favorite sound.
That's a good idea.
I hate when people chew. It's disgusting.
She hates me.
I hate listening to myself chew.
I eat chips a lot. She hates me for it.
So annoying. Yeah, so type your favorite and or worst sound in the like burping in ears. In the comments. Like, share, subscribe, turn your notifications on so you get our videos. Peace.
Bye.